like to explain a little about current management. The cruciate ligament is the central post that keeps the knee stable during rotation and is often ruptured during sport. Traditionally, we have assumed, and certainly for the last 30 years, that repair was not possible and we had to opt for a reconstruction. A reconstruction is a compromise where we take tissue either from the hamstring or the front of the knee and drill it through to stabilise the joint. It can restore stability, but often not ideal function. The beauty of the internal brace is just an augment which is only 2 millimeters in diameter, which can be threaded through the injured cruciate ligament and protect it while it heals. The difference with repair is that you retain the natural blood supply, most of the bone stock, and the nerves, which are so crucial to balance. It allows our patients to accelerate their recovery and return to optimal function, often regaining 96% of normal function in 3 months. Progress with interest as we try and get you fit again after your cruciate rupture and back to professional football. It's very encouraging what we're hearing. It's now still less than 4 months, or just less than 4 months?
Just about 4 months.
Just about 4 months. But you're telling me that you now feel you can run at full tilt. You're
checking as well, so doing plyometrics this week.
Plyometrics this week, so hopefully back into full training within a couple of weeks, and then we can take the harness off and let you get back into some action again. Look forward to it. Fantastic. Clip here just to see how well your knee has recovered. You've rehabilitated very well. Just a wee jog on the spot there for me, Craig. Excellent. Obviously comfortable through that range. You can bound around it all day if you wanted to. Fantastic. So we're going to get you to the final phase of your rehab. Break new ground actually in lots of ways, but I'm delighted to hear you're actually back playing now.
Yeah, that's me back playing, fully fit, so I feel really good.
Feeling really good. Yeah. So the first game you played for 70 minutes, and how did it feel? Were you getting nervous out there? Or?
No, it was fine really. So the first couple of minutes just let myself get into it, but after that it was
just played normally.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, that's what we're looking for, normal function. So a healed knee and normal function. I'm delighted that's done well. And Adam, in terms of function and so forth, functional testing, is he scoring well?
Oh, absolutely. He's got no deficits in any kind of testing at the minute. The whole way through, he's rehabbed remarkably well.
Yeah, brilliant. Well, excellent. Well, we'll put that out there and see what folks see whether they believe me. Okay. See ya.